Okay, we've got a couple of our guys and gals here today. We've got Tyler, we've got Ben, we've got Casey, and everybody is helping people learn to weld for the very first time. Now, they're going to be good at it the first time out of the box. You'd be surprised. At Fabspeed, I got 6 pieces of just square stainless steel.
Oh, we're artists. Zoom in on that. Artists.
30 minutes, and then we're all judging together. People are going to go home with some money. You ready? You ready? Let's go. Step away from your works of art. This is Sarah. So you guys had a little bit of a ringer in here, and that's because Sarah works with us, but she hasn't started her first day yet. Can I say that it was a pretty tough decision? Everybody was very, very, very good. We're going to give Brian a big hand for third place. Number 2, second place. Logan, right? We're going to give first place here to Logan today for the competition. 200, 150, and a lot of fun. Thank you very much, everybody, for coming out. We're going to do this again, right? Right.